National Vice President Jong Kaseng National People's Party NPP ubadairu usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong hakalai pui tarik risau ula syajid gum Presiden bathymmai Jong ka parti haka Jylla. Bah Prestone ula shimti yakne ka kam na ka jaka jong MP Rajya Sabha Dr. WR Kharlukhi ubalabat kum State President mentala khandriusnam kata hasua ka jimpenlong ya ke election syapo Lok Sabha bat ki election syaki Autonomous District Council ADC. Lalek burom ya uni Presiden bathymmai lengbau National President ka NPP ubadairu Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Konrad ke Sangma ha ka jing yalang ka balalong hapo ka office jong ka parti ka Jylla ha ka jing don lang kinong yalam bar kinong tre ka parti. Haba ay kuble ya Bah Tynsong halor ka jing shimti ya kene ka kam bathymmai Konrad Sangma ulaong ngakwa ban penia solang bat ki wei par kinong yalam ki balapan pau ya ka jing kemen halor ka jing syajid jong Bah Prestone Tynsong kum Presiden bathymmai jong kaseng NPP ha Meghalaya. Konrad ulaong bakilaya trelang rengkat bat haki babun ki jing long jingman bat ngilaya matlang ya shibun ki jing haki jing trekam ngilaya san langkum shiparlok bat ya sung thu jing mutlang bat ya trelang ban beng ya ki jing kum ka kanhon. Ha ka jing kren lengkot kum Presiden bathymmai Bah Prestone penti kenaba shen on sapendap ha ka bayadei bat ka jing bathymmai ya ki jing trekam jong ka parti. Ula kentu ya kinong ya lambat kinong tre ka parti bakin tre stom bat ban penti kenaba ka parti kan yo ya ka jing job ha ka ne ka Lok Sabha election ka bandong house nam ubanwan.
This also is a part of NPP. He meant the National Press Party. So thank you so much, and I won't take much time. I also would like to join the other leaders who have expressed their joy and happiness on the appointment of Bah Prestone Tynsong. I would only like to add that I have worked with him in many situations and from very difficult positions, and a large number of challenges we have faced together, and we have grown together as friends, understanding each other's concerns, problems, and working as a team. And so I'm very happy today that he has accepted this responsibility, because I know his capacity and I know the kind of work that he's capable of doing, and I'm sure that that he will be taking from where Dr. Kharlukhi has now left. He will take forward the mission of the party, and I'm sure that with the kind of grassroots work that he has done for the last many years, whether organizationally or from governance point of view, all of this will come into great work and help to be able to really organize the party, as he has mentioned, and I have full faith that he will be able to do justice. And I only seek the support, as he had mentioned, of all the party leaders. You all know that the demand or the request for Bah Prestone to take over as president has come from all of you. So it is not that I have selected, it is a democratic process. It's just that the election did not take place, but all the votes actually came and everybody sent the information and the request to me. So it was literally a democratic process, all the way from Garo Hills to Jente Hills to West Khasi Hills to East Khasi Hills, Rimboy. In all areas there was a consensus, and that clearly reflects the kind of acceptance and the kind of faith that people have in the leadership of Bah Prestone Tynsong. So I also join all of you. I'm sure all of you must be wanting to congratulate, but I, on behalf of all the party leaders, will again congratulate Bah Prestone Tynsong. And as he said, there's a lot of work to be done, but I'm sure that he will be able to take up the challenge to take the party forward from this point. So once again, wishing him the very best in his endeavor, and also thanking Dr. Kharlukhi once again, and all the other members who have worked with Dr. Kharlukhi in the state committee. I thank you all. Does not mean, as I said, that the work is over. Our new president will be reconstituting the committee very soon, and therefore all of you will be again asked to give your service to the state, to the people, and to the party. And I'm sure that Bah Prestone will, our new president, will reconstitute the committee very soon. So
We are advisors. Please keep posting your views, your suggestions, your opinions. to us. We are here and the door is always open. As we always say, she and myself, you don't have to go to the street, come to the street. You don't have to stand outside the gate, please be inside the gate, because we are so accommodative and we continue to do that. Not only in the structure, but even in the party organization. Our doors are always open to any issues. Therefore, we will continue serving the state to the maximum. So with these few words, once again, thank you so much. God bless NPP, God bless all of us, and especially I would like to say that under the leadership of Honorable National Dr. Konrad Sama, first time they call him Dr. Under the leadership of Dr. Konrad Sama, I am very sure we will be able, sooner or later, NPP will control the entire northeastern states. Because the face of northeastern as per the constitution of the party, and also the vision and the mission of our great late leader, Sri P. A. Sankar. He wanted to create a party which is the theme of that party, oneness of northeastern states. So thank you so much, God bless all of us here.
Kajiktre jungi namni sekmat kesulong bekummu bang pingi kwa banrin siau. Syadu kawe pakwe pelungin laki ong hasor le ni hanok dong. Lada pi ong ha district is kasil ste ha ki we pati district de ka intention jungi na parti kolong banginum tia pemenden kamtam mental ajan sakani election ngit resitom batru ngangit sket bahaka committee ka pemai la pi ong ha state level aga district level lani wat ha ki block level nginum tia ngam bat resitom na kabanda ka jikio jong ka parti sumi ka parti.
What about the MDC elections? When will the party declare the names of the candidates?
Right now we are still working out. That's what I'm telling you. Why we wanted to immediately reconstitute the full-fledged committee of the state level and even the district level, because we wanted to get all those recommended names or candidates from all the districts. Overall, if you talk in terms of the vote percentage, still we're the first. You knew that. Means, we really increased a lot.
And as a party was second,
Yes, like that only.
we got 8 MLAs, out of gets 12.
So that's what I'm telling you. If you go in terms of percentage, vote percentage, in fact, we have done well. Unfortunately, of course, we could not get more MLAs this time. That is the only picture.
Because narrowly is quite
Yeah, quite number.